Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the CE-108255-1 error code for Call of Duty, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is make sure if you have any system software updates available, and you can check that by going over to settings. From settings, go down to system, and then from system go down to system software, and then system software update and settings, and then you can click on update system software. If you're up to date, then you should be good to go. And if you do have an update, go ahead and update your game, and then once you're done with that, you should be good to go. The second method you guys can do is restart your internet router, and if you don't know how to do that, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just unplug all of the wires out of the router, wait about like 30 seconds to a minute, and then replug the wires back in. And then also I recommend once you do that, restart your PlayStation 5 as well, and go over to power, just restart it, and then you should be good to go as well. And yeah, that is it for the video. Once you guys do all these steps, you should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.